Here are 5 amazing movements that can really help you with your flexibility. Think of 90 degrees. Number 1, you really want this perfect angle of 90. Number 2, think of having your hand fully grounded behind you. Don't leave them flat, keep them wide open. All you need is just to go from one side to the next one. I'm coming back to my kneeling position and I will lean down deeper on my hip, come back to my hamstrings. I will go again deeper on a hip mobility and come back fully to the hamstring engagement. This time I will get to the hip opener, and usually I love a gap in between to be 3. I will think of leaning fully down and come back and give a nice squeeze to these glutes, opposite side. Come back fully down, nice and tight. Now, I will make sure I do them on both legs. When I come back, this is where things get really interesting. Here, my main goal is to target my ankle, knee. So I will go lean fully down, come back, lean back fully down, come back again slowly, just go back on my mat. Make sure you had enough gap that make you feel comfortable. And when you're ready, this will be full body. Release the back.